Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how to change a placement via the student search. Once you are logged into your MyWex from your home screen, you're going to go to Students, View Students. Alternatively, if the student is currently on a placement or about to begin, you may be able to find them down here in the upcoming, in the next 7 days, or current. So we would need to update those in either case. So let's go this way. And our student's name was, I think, Justy. And there we go, we found him. So let's click on his name, or not on his name, but on his icon, and we have his details. This is automatically entered from the MyEd database. We're going to go to placements, and we can find that he's got 2 placements, and I think this is the one we were just working on. Details. Now I can go in to find the details of his placement, change any of the duties. Maybe it's going to be Friday. He's trying to get it done quicker. And until 8 p.m. Notice it still fits within the ultimate time frame there. We're going to update this. And you can see everything's been updated. Let's print it off. We're back on the placement. It's selected. We can see that our new time period is selected. Oh, I will have to update that because that's a little error. And we go back into the placement. Now we can go ahead and print it off once we see that everything's as we wanted it to be. We'll be selecting Work Experience Agreement. And now the new Work Experience Agreement has been populated with the updated information.